Welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install fonts to your device, fonts that you can be able to use on the Pixellab app. So let me show you what I mean from my Pixellab app. Alright, I'm in Pixellab right now, so let me illustrate what I mean. Where is okay? So as you can see, these are the fonts that are preset, and this is the fonts that I installed on my device. So I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to install these fonts. They are much. I have a lot of fonts installed. Now, to do this, you need to download the fonts, extract them, and finally install them. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So there are websites that offer free fonts for you to use. These websites include dafonts.com, 1001freefonts.com, fontsquirrel.com. There are so many of them, but for the sake of this video, I'm only giving out 3. There are so many websites that offer free fonts. Okay, you can check them out from Google. Now I'm in my browser. All I have to do is to visit any of the websites. So for the sake of this video, I'm using dafonts.com. Alright, so this is dafonts.com. As you can see, there are different categories. You can also use the search box there. First thing to do is to download the font. Let me use CreateLearn font, for example. Now CreateLearn font has been downloaded. Now to unzip the downloaded file, go to Play Store and search for Z Archiver. There are so many unzipping apps, but I'm much comfortable with this. So it's already installed on my phone. If you don't have it, you can get it from Play Store and install it on your device so that you can extract the font. Okay, so now you open the unzipping app. This is it. This is the interface, and this is my storage. So the first thing you will do is to create a new folder. Downloaded fonts. Okay, this is our folder. It's empty. Now then you go to downloads and look for the downloaded font. Now this is it. We extract it to the newly created folder. Downloaded font, and we paste it here. So now our font has been extracted to downloaded font folder. Now this is very important so as to enable you have all your fonts in one folder. Now this is it. We copy the font and paste it to font, the folder on your device. Font, paste it. Now it has been pasted. Where is it? Yeah, here is it. So our font has been extracted and pasted in the fonts folder. Alright, now let's go back to Pixellab and see whether the font has been installed. So we go to font, my font. Let's just search it out. Create. Alright, so this is our font. It has been installed on our device and you can see it here in Pixellab. You see that now? This is it. So this is exactly how to install font to your device. Okay, so you can do that for any font that you want to install to your device. You follow the same process and you'll be good to go. But don't forget, this is very important, make sure you create a folder downloaded fonts. This is important so that all your fonts will be there. Whenever you want to send them to another storage, you can do that easily. Thank you very much for watching, and I strongly believe that you can do that on your device. If you encounter any problem, just watch the video again to be able to have clarity.